Okay, so we're in the park now. We made sure that we got the dog's attention on us again using the toys and the treats. It's nice and quiet today. It's the middle of the day, so it's not too bad. Barry's watching. He's obviously very hungry today. Whether this sausage is particularly tasty, I don't know, but he's certainly enjoying that. Sydney, however, is not so interested in the sausage, although he will eat it, because Sydney is a little working dog. You know, this is Sydney's time to shine now that we kind of come to the park. Yeah, not that you're ever going to play second fiddle, Barry, but this is definitely Sydney's time to shine. Sydney loves playing, he loves retrieving, he'll do it all day until he drops. He loves finding things, he likes doing tricks and things that I want him to do to get the things that he likes. Yeah, so we'll see a little bit more now about what you can see. Sydney's focus is on me already. Yeah, we haven't played a game yet. What do you want? What do you want? Do you want a toy? Yeah, he's not. So Sydney's more interested in me now getting something out of my pocket than he is in going having a wee and stuff, you know. So this is the kind of level that you can that you guys want to be aiming for with your dogs. Yeah, it's good that there's no dogs here at the moment, because at first I want you guys to be trying to go places where there isn't any dogs as well. Yeah, if playing with other dogs, or if running after other dogs, or running away from you is your dog's bad thing that you don't want him to do anymore, then obviously you'll know from reading the book and from watching the other modules as well that it's very, very important that you make learning for your dog very, very easy. Yeah, we want to make the process of your dog playing with you and enjoying being with you as easy as possible for him, and the best way to do that is to do it where there's virtually no distractions. Yeah, that might mean going in your car, finding somewhere quiet, walking your dog at different times of the day. Yeah, but basically you're setting yourself up for success by doing that. Yeah, you're still going to have to work quite hard even when there's no distractions, but you know, it's going to be virtually impossible for you to do it if your dog is if your dog is interested in other dogs, expecting him to want to look at you and play with you when there's something else there that he really likes. It's just going to be far too difficult for him to do. Yeah, it's like me trying to do a crossword in a lap dancing bar. Yeah, it's going to be far too difficult for me to concentrate on the crossword when there's other things going on. All right, not that I've ever done either of those two activities, but that's just a little example for you. Yeah, so let's go and have some fun, shall we, Sydney? Come on, let's go. Good boy. Baz, Barry. So we're here. We're gonna start playing some games now. Sydney's he's ready. He's on the ball. He's sitting waiting. He's got his little tongue out when he can't think about anything else. And Barry's talking because he's trying to think of things to do to try and get more treats off me, because he's a greedy boy, aren't you, Barry? Yeah, so I'm going to play with Sydney a little bit on the with the toy. I'm going to leave Barry on lead for now while I'm doing that, just because I want to have more control of Barry. Yeah, your dogs, you know how much control, what you need to do to maintain control of them, whether that means leaving them on a short lead or on a 2-meter lead or on a 10-meter lead. Whatever you need to do to maintain control of your dog and stop your dog from going off and hassling anybody else and getting himself into trouble, then that's what you need to do. So once you find your place that you think is going to be suitable for you to play with your dog, yeah, I like somewhere where I can see what's going on. Obviously the dog has a better sense of smell than me, but I'm taller than the dogs, and unless you're a midget and your dog is a Great Dane, then you're hopefully going to be taller than your dog. Yeah, so you should be able to see what's coming. Yeah, so even though I'm playing with the dogs and I've got the dog's attention, I'm always looking around as well, because I want to avoid anybody else coming. Yeah, it's quiet today, but that's not to say that someone's going to come around the corner with, you know, a couple of playful dogs who are going to make a beeline for me. I want to have time to put the dogs back on lead if I can, or get their attention with something and then walk away. Yeah, so so use your eyes all the time. Sounds obvious, yeah, but try and put yourself in a position where you can see what's going on in the park, and you're always paying attention. Yeah, even though I'm got these two to concentrate on and the camera work, I'm still watching all the time to try and, because I want to keep the dogs safe and I want to enjoy the walk. Yeah, and you want to enjoy your walk as well. So be proactive in your walk. Yeah, keep your eye out all the time. Sydney's just about to burst, as you can see, with excitement, because he wants to play, but he wants to play with me. Yeah, if your dog, let Barry off a second. Good boy, Barry. Yeah, if your dog's big thing is looking for poo to eat, or is to play with something, play with another dog, or to chase a bird, then that's going to be the thing that he's going to be bursting with excitement with to do when he gets to the park. Yeah, which is why you shouldn't let your dog off lead when you first get to the park if that's his thing. Yeah, make sure you have control with a long lead, and then take your time until your dog settles down, until you get your dog's focus back on you, so that your dog is looking at you. Obviously, like I said before, Barry's a bit less toy motivated, but Sydney's very toy motivated, and he's very toy motivated to play with me. So Sydney's bursting with excitement to play with me at the park. Yeah, that's what you want to be trying to achieve as well. Shall we have a little game? Yeah, good boy, come on. This isn't a bit of our lunch. This is a Planet Dog artichoke toy, but Sydney likes this one as well, so good boy. Yeah. Come on, Barry. That's a good boy. Good lad. So even just the time that I've spent making a little fuss of the dogs while I was talking to you guys has been time well spent, because Barry, normally Barry likes to go off and have a wee and stuff. Sydney, like I say, he's more interested in playing with me. Down, down, stay, good boy. Yeah, come on, good boy, come get it. But because I've spent a bit more time today talking to Barry, showing him the stuff, yeah, he's more interested in me. So there's a little lesson in itself. Come on, Sinners, good boy.